Have you ever said something in anger you spent months regretting? Words that came out fast, burning like fire, and you could never take them back? Have you ever watched anger destroy something you love? A relationship, a friendship, your peace, your trust? What if I told you that every single time you felt angry, every moment when rage took over, you actually had a choice you didn't know you had, a choice that changes everything? Let me tell you about Raheem, who learned this the hardest way. Raheem was a successful manager. People respected him at work. They feared him a little too. But at home, everything changed. His wife asked a simple question about dinner plans. Raheem heard criticism hidden inside. His daughter interrupted him during an important call. Raheem heard disrespect. Small moments, tiny triggers, but his response? Explosive, shouting, harsh words he could never take back. His family learned the pattern. They learned to avoid him. His wife stopped sharing her day. His children became quiet around him. The house felt like a place where something bad could happen at any moment. This pattern continued for years, until one moment changed everything. One evening, Raheem's son didn't greet him at the door. He was playing with toys instead. Raheem felt ignored. He snapped with harsh, cutting words. His son's face crumpled. Tears came. Later, Raheem's wife said quietly, "He was building something to show you." Raheem stood frozen. Understanding finally hit him. His anger wasn't protecting him. It was destroying the people he loved most. His own son feared him. That night, Raheem couldn't sleep. He lay in the dark, replaying the moment. His son's broken face, his wife's quiet words. He realized something that scared him. He had a choice to make. He could keep going the same way, or he could change. The next day, something unexpected happened. The next morning, Raheem called Dr. Hassan, his mentor. They met for coffee. Raheem confessed everything: his anger, his son's tears, his wife's quiet words. Dr. Hassan listened. He didn't offer judgment. Instead, he offered a story. "I used to throw mud at my own clothes. Every time someone disrespected me, I felt the mud hit. And you know what I did? I caught it. I rubbed it deeper. I argued with it. My shirt was filthy. One day, I realized something. The mud thrower keeps throwing. That is their choice. But me catching it, that is my choice." He paused. "Raheem, when mud comes your way, you have two options: catch it and ruin your clothes, or step aside and keep yourself clean." Days passed. His wife made a small comment that normally triggered rage. Raheem felt anger rising, the mud coming. He paused, breathed, stepped aside instead of catching it. It felt strange, weak even, but no explosion. His wife looked surprised, maybe relieved. The next week, his son asked a question in a way that irritated him. He noticed the moment, stepped aside again. Small victories. Not perfection, still difficult, but something shifted inside him. Freedom was beginning. Today, Raheem still experiences anger, but anger no longer controls him. His wife laughs again around him. His children seek him out. He's not a different person. He's the same person making different choices. And here's what I learned from his story. Anger doesn't mean you're weak. Choosing not to catch the mud, that's the strongest thing you can do. If Raheem can step aside, so can you. Subscribe if you're ready to stop giving your peace to other people. Subscribe if you want stories about people who chose freedom over reaction. This week, I challenge you. Notice one moment when the mud comes. Don't catch it. Step aside. Then tell me in the comments, what happened?